want to be outside.
Yeah.
It's going to be beautiful out there. The weekend was phenomenal. And heading into this week, pretty much every day, depending on your type of weather that you favor, will be your pick of the week. But I had to pick one.
Right.
So I picked Tuesday. I think that'll be the day that most people will be happy with, because after that, it gets really warm. You're going to likely turn on the air conditioners if you haven't already.
You need to add Bentley to that graphic.
You know, I should.
Right?
Yes. That's a good idea.
Well, let's keep it real.
Ooh.
I will. I'll add him, because he's here right now today with us.
Bentley's
he's here.
here.
Yeah. But yeah, Tuesday, tomorrow, guys, going to be a beautiful day. Today, nice, and all this week, really nice as well. The jet stream has retreated to the north, and that means the heat from the south is surging into our area. Very warm, and progressively as we go through the work week, you'll also notice a bit of an uptick in the humidity. Not oppressive by any means, but you'll notice it's a little bit stickier out there than what we've had with our last heat waves over the past few weeks and months. By Thursday and Friday, I think it's very likely, especially a lot of the backyard thermometers, you look out your back window, the thermometer hanging on the tree, you know what I'm talking about, the one with the big hand, probably going close to 90 degrees by that point. And as we get in towards the weekend, we have a cold front coming our way. It will drop our temperatures, and that'll also bring us our next risk at seeing any rain, because up until then, it's going to be dry as a bone. You're going to want to turn on those sprinklers in one of those lawns out there, because it's going to get pretty dry and dusty. 36 in Ahoskie this morning, 42 in Newport News. This is another thing. Some of this cold, very chilly out there, and if you put plants outside this weekend, some areas farther inland are awfully close to that freezing mark this morning. While you head closer to the water, you're safely well above freezing. 43 in Edenton, 40 in Hampton, 41 now out in Williamsburg. High pressure to our northwest this morning, driving the winds out of the west, which is a warm flow for us this time of year. So it's not going to be oppressively hot today, around 70, a little bit below average. But as that wind shifts more out of the south, as you'll see here on Futurecast, after we get past today, topping out near 70, then tonight they start to come in more out of the south. So overnight lows won't be nearly as chilly as what we're seeing this morning, likely in the 50s out there in a lot of spots, maybe a few upper 40s inland. But then look at the numbers jump by about 10 degrees from our afternoon highs today to near 80 by tomorrow. And that trend continues, adding on degrees and degrees day by day, compounding that heat, topping out near 90 by Thursday and Friday. Pollen levels still remaining up there, not as extremely high as it was last week, but still, if you suffer from seasonal allergies, that pollen floating around. Oak, birch, and sweet gum are those main allergens right now. South side today, right around 70 or so. Average this time of the year, 72. We'll take it, though. It's still going to be a gorgeous day. 73 in Williamsburg, 69 Hampton, 66 in Cape Charles. Northeastern North Carolina, widespread 70-degree readings, but much cooler as you get along the coastline. Mid-60s there through the Outer Banks. Tonight, 52. Clear skies, not nearly as cold. And then there's your 7-day. Really warm and sunny and dry work week ahead. Temperatures near 90 Thursday and Friday. Next chance at any rain doesn't get here until the weekend.